Hi, I'm David. Welcome to another video, and we are London and Home County Safes, and today we're taking a look at our Sussex Eurograde 1 size 4 digital safe. Very quick advert, as I say, London and Home County Safes on londonsafes.co.uk, rated excellent on Trustpilot, free delivery and free installation in all of these areas. And now let's move on to the safe. So this is a Eurograde safe, which is certified to EN1143-1 Grade 1. And that means it's suitable for insurance purposes for storing up to £10,000 in cash or up to £100,000 in valuables, but only if it's installed properly, and that's what we do. So this is from a family of 7 sizes that this safe comes in. This is the 4th size in the lineup. So the external dimensions, it's 585 millimeters high by 415 millimeters wide by 425 millimeters deep. Safe is open now, and internally the usable dimensions are 509 millimeters high by 355 millimeters wide by 305 millimeters deep. Internal storage capacity measured in litres, like a fish tank, is 55 litres, and this safe weighs a whopping 105 kilograms. This being the digital version, this is fitted with a VdS Class 2 digital lock, but it's also available in a simple key locking version if you want to use keys. The keypad is battery operated, and the battery just lives inside this door here. Just an ordinary 9-volt battery, but we tend to use the Pro cells or the industrial cells. They last longer. I'm going to go ahead and open the safe now. You've got this C button, that's for clearing any previous incorrect attempts. So the number here is 123456, which is the default factory code. That little click means that the solenoid has operated. You can then turn the knob. That won't turn until you've entered the code. Once you've done that, you still need to just turn this metal handle, and that opens the bolt work. As you can see, I'm operating the handle here, and you can see the bolts are moving in and out accordingly. Now the safe is open. It's supplied with this shelf that can be put in a number of different locations. I've got it almost at the top here. We install the safe for you. We're going to bolt it down. We're going to bolt it through this fixing hole in the bottom with a substantial bolt into the base area. And we've also got this fixing hole in the back, and we're going to bolt that through onto a brick wall, hopefully. We always try and use both fixing holes or all fixing holes available in a safe to get the most robust installation, really down to the surfaces available in your property, but we do our very best, and every installation comes with a certificate which you can show to your insurance company. Door on the safe is very, very thick indeed, protected by anti-drill plates, all the usual measures that are required for a Eurograde safe. There's all your bolt work. If I just back away, you can see there's a rectangular bolt at the top and the bottom, and 3 on the side. The safe will also what we call dogs, i.e. this shape here, as the door shuts, folds behind this section so that it's locked on that side as well. That's done because some burglars think by attacking the hinges on a safe with external hinges that they'll get into the safe, but obviously it's quite clear that they won't. Have a look at what you can store in the safe. I use initially a Coke can as a familiar object that everyone kind of understands the relative size of. It's a regular Coke can. I think it's the 330 milliliter, so the normal size can. Pop that in the corner. You can see it's quite a large safe, and there's quite a bit of room in here. To a luxury watch box, as you can see. If that's your thing, you're going to get plenty of those in there. Wallpaper. With these, a couple of files in there as well. There's a regular sort of A4 folder, and that's a foolscap folder which fits with ease, no problem at all. Also got some inherent fire resistance with this safe. It's got a fire seal around the entrance that the door seals up against as it shuts. By the virtue of the fact that it's a big steel double walled safe, you're going to have fire resistance anyway, because it's going to take some energy to heat the contents up to incinerate it. Although it's not certified, certified as a burglary safe, not certified as a fire safe, but you have got that extra protection. And then if you go for the flame retardant wallet, that's even extra. Here's your proof of certification. So you've got your grade 1 here, EN1143-1, and that's your VdS certification. So hopefully you're going to buy a safe from us and we're going to come and install it for you. So during the checkout process, if you are doing that, and thank you if you are, there's a number of accessories that you can purchase. So the first one is a automatic light, battery operated, 3 AAA cells, and it's got a little movement sensor, and that pops onto the underside of the top of the safe, and as you open the safe the light comes on, illuminates the contents. Very useful for dark cupboards or wardrobes, things like that, so you can see what's going on in there. Then we have this, which is a flame retardant wallet, so you can put your A4 documents and bits and pieces in there for extra fire protection. We have a carpet base if you want a carpet in the bottom of your safe. As you see, they don't come with one. If you want one, then that's an optional extra. This is a pair of Faraday pouches for putting car keys in. Key cloning, theft of cars is very, very common now. You put your keys in here and the people with the dodgy equipment can't pick up the signal in the house to take your car away. And finally we have this dehumidifier box, which you can put inside the safe. It's reusable, you can dry it out on a radiator, absorbs moisture, protects things from condensation, because you can get condensation form inside a big steel box like that. Also useful for keeping firearms dry as well, and these are all recommended accessories for your safe that are available at checkout. In summary, that's the Sussex Eurograde 1 size 4 digital safe, available with free delivery and free installation in all of those areas from London and home county safes. Check us out online, londonsafes.co.uk, or give us a call. Any questions that you've got about the installation, if you're concerned how we're going to fit it, where it can go in your house, stuff like that, give us a call. I'm David, happy to help, no problem whatsoever. Waiting for your call.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.